August 2025, 10:15, 71 degrees, going to about 85, 86, down to about 63 tonight. US Highway 129, we're going to cut through part. We're not going all the way through. We're just going to go through, go down here and get some gas in Jefferson, then cut back over to 129. We are on our way to my daughter's house in Ackworth. We're in the 2000 van. This is going to be a shock on gas. We've been in that 2019. It's getting almost 16 miles a gallon. This thing's going to drop back to 12.5. But I don't have that petition out of it yet. I don't have it organized as far as storage or anything. So we're going in the 2000 that we have got so much of most of our video in. It's doing good. That lower ball joint blew out. They replaced it. I think everything else haven't seen a drop of oil or transmission fluid, anything on the ground. I think we finally have just about, I shouldn't say this, I don't guess, but I think we may have just about worked the bugs out of this Jasper engine and transmission. So I'll never buy another product from Jasper, that's for sure. Warranty's no better than the products. Just because you got a warranty doesn't mean you're going to get it approved. Doesn't mean you're going. And even if you get it approved, what they pay is nowhere near what the shop rate is. So the shop's either got to agree to do it cheaper and swallow that difference, or you're going to have to pay the difference. And if they do it cheaper, well, guess what? Your vehicle is going to sit in the parking lot 2 or 3 weeks while they're working on other stuff that pays full price. You get moved to the bottom of the list, even if it's a warranty item. Well, the warranty is virtually worthless. Combine that with the the likely problems you are to have with the Jasper products. It just doesn't make any sense to buy anything from Jasper, in my opinion. We've got the 98 just about ready for the road. We still need some tires for it, air conditioning. Still have an oil leak. I think it's probably valve cover gasket. And if we fix the air conditioning, we'll change that valve cover gasket then, because you can't hardly get to the front where that valve cover is with all that stuff in it on the front. It's got with that one, it's a passenger van. It's got the dual heat and air, and it's got a Freon line coming out of the compressor that goes right back over the valve cover. It's got a EGR, exhaust gas recirculating pipe, goes right back over it. I'm not the only one who fusses about engineers, though. I saw a guy the other day, he's working on, I think, a Toyota truck, and he had to replace an exhaust pipe and had to take the whole body off the frame. I thought my episodes were bad with engineering. Should we go up the hill and try to get the cheaper gas? The last 3 times I've been up the hill, I have not been able to get gas from the pumps. We'll just get it over here at 275. Yeah, this is going to be a big difference dropping back to, well, on the road we'll probably get 13 1/4, but maybe 13 1/2. But overall, 12.5, dropping from our 2019 down to from 15.9 down to 12.5. Not going to be any fun. Okay, we held 23 gallons. We didn't divide it out this time. It's been getting 12.5, 13. We're going to double back and go a different way. Going through Jefferson's gotten almost impossible. These little streets, this offset on 129 business is, you just can't hardly get through it. So we're going to turn up here and go over and catch 129. And we haven't been anywhere in this one since we've had the ball joint problem. It's been doing good, but we've just been right around close. I think we'll cut across the back roads back across 53 rather than go the 85. I'd like to get there quicker, but if something does happen, I don't want to be on the freeway broke down. I'd rather be on a county road. Of course, between Dawsonville and Tate, Georgia, is not, and even on over to Canton, it's not a good place really to break down on those roads over there. We'll turn this off in a minute. We'll start uploading this one. When we get to 85, we'll stop at 85 and edit and upload this one, start uploading this one. And then mount another camera, figure out for sure which way we're going to go. Might be an interesting place to have there. I like that. Thing is swimming around on the road a little bit. That other lower ball joint were to come out on the freeway, that would get nasty. Gauges are good. Alternator, fuel, oil, temperature. The only thing giving me concern about this one now is, like I said, it just likes to sway around on the road, and these tires are about probably 3/4 worn. That could be it. We hadn't really been anywhere at all since our spring road trip. We were in Marietta a month, pet sitting, and then we've been working on these blooming vehicles. It's the second blue light special we've seen this morning. We missed the first one. It was a GSP. I think this one may be GSP. I think this is Jefferson or either Jackson County. Yeah, Jefferson. Oh, well, there you go. Lower ball joint, looks like. Toward my Yoda, no, or Honda. You're doing that on highway speed, you're liable to flip. That tire that hits the ground is going to drag and everything else is going to swing around. If you've got the momentum, centrifugal force will roll you right over. All the loose stuff in here, we don't need all this junk flying around. Stuff in here flying around at 65 miles an hour could be deadly. A lot of people don't think about that stuff. Have loose stuff getting wrecked. Sudden stop, all that loose stuff wants to come through the front windshield. I think we'll head, we'll cut over the back roads. It's going to take us longer, but we'll do that. We'll probably stop at least at that Marble Hill at the creek where we saw that dead copperhead and the crawfish. Got the video of the crawfish. We could go wading there again. And possibly back at Devil's Elbow, we could wade there. Get whatever's going on with this front end a little bit from swaying. And we ought to be fine and this one be on the road. I guess we're fine with it anyway, I'm not sure. Through Gainesville on 129 and catch 53 maybe. Go through Dawsonville. We could go 36 or 136 I think it is, and go through Jasper. This is supposed to be the new Ford dealership up here on the right, moving out of Jefferson. I think their shop is not currently able to handle some of the repairs on the newer vehicles. It's not large enough, and so they've got to expand. That's what I heard, at least. I don't know what the truth is. We had grits and toast for breakfast, but we're hungry. Of course, that's 5 hours ago, too. Yeah, see, not even putting on the brakes, we started drifting.